Hey there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're as passionate about travel as we are, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring the jewels of Spain, Barcelona, Granada, and Seville. But wait, there's more. Stick around until the end for a special surprise that you won't want to miss. Spain. I'm your travel buddy, and today we're embarking on an unforgettable journey through Spain's most iconic cities. But before we dive into the adventure, let's kick things off with a little excitement. Hidden somewhere in this video is a rare Spanish artifact. But here's the twist. It won't be easy to find. It might be tucked away in a bustling market scene or hiding in plain sight amidst the vibrant architecture. If you can spot it, you'll not only win bragging rights, but also secure yourself a spot in our exclusive draw for a shout-out and a mystery Spanish-themed prize in our next video. So keep those eyes wide open and your detective hats on. The hunt begins now. Let's see who's up for the challenge. Ready? Let's begin. A land of fiery flamenco rhythms, sun-drenched beaches, and majestic Moorish palaces. From the snow-capped Pyrenees to the sun-kissed shores of Andalusia, Spain ignites the senses and captivates the soul. Its rich history, woven with Roman emperors, Moorish sultans, and Catholic monarchs, is visible in every corner. Imagine strolling through ancient Roman ruins, their weathered stones whispering tales of a bygone era. Picture yourself wandering through the Alhambra, its intricate mosaics and serene courtyards reflecting Moorish artistry. Envision being swept away by the passionate rhythms of flamenco, a dance form that embodies the soul of Spain. This is the magic of Spain, where history comes alive, and every city has a story to tell. In this guide, we'll embark on a journey to three of Spain's most captivating cities: Barcelona, Granada, and Seville. Each city, a unique jewel in Spain's crown, promises an unforgettable experience. Barcelona, the cosmopolitan capital of Catalonia, thrums with infectious energy. This vibrant city blends its Roman past with avant-garde architecture and a buzzing contemporary art scene. Prepare to be mesmerized by Antoni Gaudi's masterpieces, from the whimsical Park Güell to the awe-inspiring Sagrada Familia. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleys of the Gothic Quarter, Barcelona's historic heart. Indulge in the city's culinary scene, a tantalizing fusion of traditional Catalan flavors and innovative gastronomy. Sample tapas at bustling markets like La Boqueria, where colorful displays of fresh produce, seafood, and cured meats tempt your taste buds. As the sun sets, stroll along Las Ramblas, Barcelona's most famous boulevard, pulsating with life. From its architectural marvels to its culinary delights, Barcelona will captivate your senses and leave you longing to return. Nestled at the foot of the Sierra Nevada mountains, Granada is steeped in history and romance. This Andalusian gem, once the heart of the last Islamic kingdom in Spain, transports you to a bygone era of Moorish splendor. Prepare to be awestruck by the Alhambra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a stunning example of Islamic architecture. Step into a fairy tale as you explore the Alhambra's palaces, courtyards, and gardens. Marvel at the intricate mosaics, delicate stucco work, and serene fountains that whisper tales of a glorious past. Wander through the narrow, winding streets of the Albayacin, Granada's ancient Arab quarter, where whitewashed houses cling to the hillside. Indulge in a traditional tea ceremony at one of the many tea houses, or savor Moroccan-inspired cuisine, a legacy of Granada's rich past. Seville, the vibrant capital of Andalusia, embodies the soul of southern Spain. This city of passion and artistry, where flamenco rhythms echo through the streets, will captivate your senses. Prepare to be mesmerized by the beauty of the Alcazar of Seville, a stunning palace complex blending Moorish, Gothic, and Renaissance styles. Explore the Alcazar's lush gardens, adorned with fragrant orange trees, bubbling fountains, and colorful tilework. Lose yourself in the narrow, winding streets of the Santa Cruz Quarter, Seville's former Jewish quarter. Experience the passion of flamenco at one of Seville's many tablaos, where talented dancers and musicians transport you to the heart of Andalusian culture. Marvel at the grandeur of Plaza de España, a magnificent square built for the 1929 Ibero-American Exposition. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary adventure. Spanish cuisine is a celebration of fresh, locally sourced ingredients and bold flavors. From the tapas bars of Barcelona to the traditional taverns of Seville, each region offers a unique gastronomic experience. Start your day like a local with a café con leche and a pastry, like churros dipped in thick, rich chocolate. For lunch, embrace the Spanish tradition of tapas, small plates designed for sharing. In Barcelona, sample PAMB tomaquet and patatas bravas. In Granada, indulge in pionono, a small pastry soaked in syrup and filled with custard. Seville will tempt you with its pescado frito and solomillo al whisky. No culinary journey through Spain would be complete without experiencing paella, the iconic rice dish originating from Valencia. Spain's climate, as diverse as its landscape, offers something for every traveler. The best time to visit most of Spain is during spring, March-May, and fall, September-October, when the weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller. Summers, June-August, can be scorching, especially in the southern regions, but they are perfect for enjoying Spain's beautiful beaches. If you plan to explore the northern regions, be prepared for cooler temperatures and occasional rainfall, even during the summer months. Winters, November-February, can be chilly, especially inland, but they offer a unique opportunity to experience Spain's festive Christmas markets. No matter when you choose to visit, Spain's charm and beauty are sure to captivate you. To make the most of your Spanish adventure, here are some practical tips to ensure a smooth trip. Before you go, make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. Spain is part of the Schengen area, allowing for visa-free travel from many countries, but check specific visa requirements for your nationality. Pack light and comfortable clothing, keeping in mind Spain's varied weather conditions. Comfortable walking shoes are essential, as you'll be doing a lot of exploring on foot. Learning a few basic Spanish phrases can enhance your interactions with locals. While English is widely spoken in tourist areas, knowing a bit of the local language shows respect and can lead to more authentic experiences. Spain boasts an efficient and extensive transportation network, making it easy to navigate between cities and explore different regions. High-speed AVE trains connect major cities like Madrid, Barcelona, Seville, and Valencia, offering a comfortable and scenic way to travel. For shorter distances, regional trains and buses provide affordable and convenient options. Within cities, public transportation is generally reliable and affordable. Most cities have an extensive network of buses and metro lines, making it easy to get around without a car. Taxis are also readily available, but be sure to use licensed taxis to avoid scams. Renting a car can be a good option if you plan to explore rural areas, but driving in large cities can be challenging. Walking is often the best way to experience the charm of Spanish cities, especially in historic centers with narrow streets and pedestrianized zones. While English is widely spoken in tourist areas, knowing a few basic Spanish phrases can greatly enhance your travel experience. Here's a crash course in essential Spanish phrases. Hello, hola, goodbye, adios, please, por favor. Thank you, gracias, you're welcome. De nada, excuse me, perdón, yes, sí, no, I don't understand, no entiendo. Do you speak English? Habla inglés? Where is... ¿Dónde está? How much is this? ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? Don't be afraid to practice your Spanish with locals, even if it's just a few words. From the architectural wonders of Barcelona to the Moorish splendor of Granada and the flamenco soul of Seville, Spain offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're strolling through ancient Roman ruins, marveling at Gaudi's masterpieces, or losing yourself in the rhythm of flamenco, Spain will ignite your senses and leave an imprint on your soul. As you savor the flavors of Spanish cuisine and embrace the warmth of the Spanish people, you'll discover a country that is both enchanting and unforgettable. So heed the call of adventure and embark on your own Spanish odyssey. Let the vibrant cities, picturesque villages, and sun-drenched beaches of Spain weave their magic, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Barcelona, Granada, and Seville. Don't forget to leave a comment if you found the hidden artifact. You might just be our next lucky winner. And as promised, here's your special surprise. Share an exciting travel tip, hidden gem, or announcement about a future video. Amazing, right? Make sure to tune in next time as we explore even more fantastic destinations. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click on thumb up and comment below. Please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon for updates videos.